Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this little website here called Pagazani. And maybe you're wondering, is this legit? Can you really make money from this site? Let's check it all out, right? On this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online. Some of them are good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, a big waste of time. So let's check out Pagazani to find out whether this is a good use of your time or maybe there are better ways to make money online out there, okay? Now, Pagazani is a survey website, okay? So you can come here, you can take paid surveys, you can download cash offers, their daily bonuses, and you can actually earn payouts from doing these little tasks for free, right? So we're going to check it out. I'm going to log in right now. I'm going to show you around and show you how you can actually do this. The nice thing about Pagazani is that it is available globally, which is really, really cool, okay? So very easy to sign up. You can just click on here. You fill in your name, your last name, your email address, your username and password. Click register. Confirm it on your email, and once you do that, you can log in here, and this is kind of what your back office is going to look like. The first thing you want to do is you want to come to surveys up here, and you should take the time to fill out your profile. It literally take you 1 minute. It's super quick, and as soon as you do that, you can click on take surveys and it will bring you to this page right here, okay? Now this is the thing that you need to understand about Pagazani, is that they work with different third-party websites that offer surveys. So depending on where you live in the world, this may look different for you, okay? Some days you'll have more surveys, some days you'll have very little surveys. It just really depends. And if you scroll to the bottom, there are some other surveys that you can take. For example, Samplicious, BitLabs, Daily, Peanut Labs. These are all different survey websites that you can check out, and you can, come to the bottom. For example, for CPX research, you can also take these surveys right here, okay? Now, when I scroll back to the top, you're going to see that some surveys take a little bit longer, 50 minutes. That's quite a long survey. Okay, that one pays 53 cents. It's actually not that much, right? For 50 minutes, that's almost an hour of your time. This one here is only 7 minutes long, but it pays $1.27. So some take shorter but pay more, some take longer but pay less. So it's very weird. It's not directly related to time. So it just depends on what you take. Like for example, this one is 23 minutes long and it pays out $1.57. This one is 13 minutes and it only pays out 11 cents, right? So some of them pay quite little, some of them pay a little bit more. But I would say that this is not bad for the actual payout of surveys, because a lot of other survey websites pay between 10 cents and 50 cents. So Pagazani pays out a little bit more, which I think is pretty cool. But unfortunately, you may not get that many surveys on a particular day, right? So again, it depends on your luck. It depends on your location. You might be in a country where there's a lot of surveys available. Sometimes there's only just a couple of surveys available. Sometimes once you finish them all, you're not going to have that many surveys to fill out, okay? Now we scroll to the bottom and you're going to see that it's also a little bit different for the CPX research surveys, right? 12 minutes, 31 cents here, 14 minutes, $1.26. So it has nothing to do with the time. It just depends on your luck, right? 73 cents, 11 minutes, okay? 13 minutes, 48 cents, right? It's all kind of different. So you can take your time to take the surveys right here. Now, the cool thing about Pagazani is that you don't only need to take surveys to make money. You can download offers too, okay? Now, there are a few survey websites here like Pollfish, BitLabs. These are all surveys, but some of them are just straight up offer pages. So Ascend Media, Ayet Studios, OfferToro, these are all basically downloadable offers, and you can do things like take free trials, you can download games, and when you hit certain milestones in those things, they will offer you a certain amount of points, and then you can take those points and you can withdraw them into cash or gift cards on Pagazani itself, right? Now, the thing that you have to understand about some of these offers right here, like OfferToro, for example, some of them will require you to take quite a long time and jump through a lot of hoops before you actually make any money from there, right? So it might be a game, you download it like Monopoly, for example, and they will only give you a certain amount of points when you hit level 10 or level 50 or level 100, right? So it might take you a week, 2 weeks to get to level 100. Some people might never get to level 100, right? But at different milestones, they will give you a certain amount of points, okay? So just understand that you can potentially make quite a lot of money from these offers, but some of them do take quite a long time, and some of them are unreachable. So it just really depends on your skill set and how lucky you are and what kind of offers you pick as well. But overall, if you combine the surveys and the offers, you can make an okay amount of money here, and we'll talk about how much much you can earn, right? So let's talk about redemption. We're going to come to the redeem section. We're going to go to withdraw. And the nice thing about Pagazani is they allow you to withdraw gift cards. So they have, Amazon, PlayStation, Zolando gift cards as well, Apple as well. And also you can withdraw it into cash. So PayPal is nice because you can withdraw a minimum of $5, which means that you must make a threshold of at least $5 before you can withdraw your money. All right, it's not that hard. You can probably do that in a few days, and we'll talk about that in a second, how much you can actually make. But they do charge a little bit of a fee. Okay, so they have a 5-cent fee right there. You can also do the same with the Amazon gift card. It starts at $10, right? That will take you a little bit longer to get to. They also offer bank transfers here, which is pretty cool, but it's a lot higher. Okay, so I would probably go with PayPal. Right? Again, there's so many different ways here, Payoneer, cryptocurrency. So you can choose, but PayPal is a really good way to get your cash out, or you can choose the gift cards right here. For me, there aren't that many gift cards available, but in your country, you might have a little bit more. Okay, now let's talk about how much money you can really make by filling out surveys and downloading offers from Pagazani specifically. Okay, now I'm going to go to the monthly contest section just so that you can understand the numbers that we're talking about, right? So at the time of recording this video, we're in the middle of the month, okay? And you can see that the top earners right here, these are the top 10 earners. All right, they're earning anywhere from $169 to $134. Okay, now by the end of the month, these numbers will probably double. So we're looking at closer to about $300. And then on top of that, they will win these prize points. Now, this is not a good number to shoot for because these are the top 10 people in the world. Now, you have to understand that the top 10 people in the world for any survey website, they're usually putting in a lot of time. We're talking like 10 hours a day, 8 hours a day, some of them 12 hours a day. So they're putting a lot of time into this, right? So if you're putting in 10 hours a day, you can potentially make about $300 a month if you do surveys and you do offers. But think about that. That's a lot of time to be putting in. That's pretty much a full-time job just filling out surveys. What's more realistic is putting in a couple of hours, right? If you have a couple of hours, 2-3 hours a day and you're filling out surveys, the more realistic number that you will hit is roughly about $100 a month, filling out surveys and taking part in offers, all right? So if you put in more time, it's about $300, but if you put in a little bit less time, a bit more realistic is $50 to $100 a month filling out surveys. So it's not bad, it's not amazing, you're still putting in 2-3 hours a day filling out surveys, it comes up to about $100 a month. So it's not life-changing income. You're not going to be able to retire, but it's free, it's global, it's real. There are many ways to withdraw. So I think Pagazani is a pretty okay survey website. I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of survey websites, right? It's not bad. It's pretty decent for what it is. It's not life-changing income, but as a survey website, I think it's pretty decent, okay? So if you want to check out Pagazani, it's just pagazani.com. Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to make big income on this channel. I have reviewed hundreds of different ways, different strategies, different websites, different apps, business models to make money. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. And out of all of them, in 2019, I used a particular strategy to completely change my life. I quit my full-time job. I 5 times my old corporate salary, and now I work 100% from home. I think this is a great strategy for beginners or anyone that's looking to make some pretty big money online. I've got a free masterclass if you want to check out this strategy. It's all the way at the bottom, and you can just click on the link and check it out for free if you would like, right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Pagazani. I wish you all the best. Hope to see you on another video review. Take care.